how to see how many apps are connected currently with your Google account on your Google account setting. You can do it on your mobile phone and you can also do it on your laptop. So first of all, we will open our browser here to click on my Google account and open the website in front of me to see how many apps are really connected to my account. This is my Google account. I will click on the Google Apps here and then again click on the account option. It will redirect me to the Google account, and here in my Google account left setting I will click on the security, scroll to the down, and yes, on the right section you can see your connections to the third-party apps and services. You have to click on see all connections, and yes, you will see that you have 27 websites right now connected with your Google account. You can remove these websites one by one also. You can click on it and then remove it. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it, and please subscribe to the channel for watching more technical reviews, videos and updates like this.